Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to change story background on Instagram. So to do that, I'm heading over to Instagram and heading over to any reel. Suppose I want to post this reel on my story. I'm heading over to add the story. So as you can see, this story has a certain background and I want to change it. So what I will do is just to tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on blur. Now select which of the color you want. Um, I want this chocolate one. So I selected it. I will keep tapped on my screen and then this. Here it goes. And here now what I need to do is just to so once again just add new backgrounds and new story settings. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.